Namaskaram, welcome to episode 28 of Machine with Mayank, and today we will finish what we started long time back, that is automation for LinkedIn posting. So as you know that I had issues for LinkedIn API which I used to get permission. So that is solved now, and I will share you the link of how to use n8n. We are using n8n on our local system, and that videos we had already showed how to install Docker, how to install n8n. We'll quickly move into how we are using LinkedIn automation. All right. So first of all, we'll make sure to up the Docker so that we can make n8n on local system live. So we will run the Docker up. We'll use this command and let's enter and wait for it to be live. Perfect, it is running, right? And I'll now move to local system. I'll show you where it is being run. All right, so you can see that I have moved to the local system, and you can see that we'll sign in. Perfect. So I have two flows. We'll discuss the flow which is actually used for automation. That is this one. Sorry, not this one. All right. So this is a trigger which we have said that when it should trigger, when it should run every day, right? And then we have considered our OpenAI message model, and here you can give the what you want, right? I'm using GPT-4o model, and what we want as a user. We are not giving system inputs, we are giving user inputs, right? So it means the user is directly giving input to the chat GPT. So it will be generate 200 words post for test technologies and how it is helping Indian SMEs and startups that are solving core challenges of India, providing its research and product monetization services use proper data points. I just don't take it too don't take it too seriously. It's just to make sure to make you aware how we are doing it. There are multiple ways to do the same thing, right? So yeah, that's it, and we have given this now. So this will go ahead and get generated in the Google Sheet, and from there it will go ahead and it will post on LinkedIn. Okay, and so in LinkedIn what we have done, I'll just show you. So I have connected it to LinkedIn account, right? So LinkedIn OAuth 2 API, which you will get. I will show it to you on LinkedIn page how we will get these details, right? But we can create credentials by, you can go here, you can go to credentials. Oh, sorry, let me save it. Yeah, now you can go to credentials. So you have to collect all these things. You go to LinkedIn account is connected. You have to write the redirect URL and client ID in secret. All right, so that you will get it from LinkedIn itself, and that's it. And uh, this is it. Plus, yeah, we'll go to workflow. And yeah, it will get it posted on LinkedIn, right? So we'll just test it. We will test the workflow. So I'll just put test workflow. Done. Done. Oh, okay. I need to reconnect it. I'll just do it. Just give me a second. Right. So as you can see, I have again reconnected everything. We'll go to our workflows. Huh? Where it is? Sorry. Yeah, it is here. It's a lot of work, man. That's why. Okay. We'll again restart. Done. Done. I will remove OpenAI very soon. I will go with DeepSeek or any other models. OpenAI is costly for me. Google Sheets. n8n. Now we'll go to a LinkedIn page and I'll show you how it's been shown. Do I want to show you? Yes, I want to. So as you can see, it has been posted here. Empowering Indian SMEs and startups. See this asterisks which are coming. I need to do some JavaScript thing to remove this. I do not want to see this, but yeah, the idea is it is automated, right? If I run this trigger every day in 24 hours, I'll be able to generate the content the way I want. It has used all the appropriate suggestions what I had asked for, right? Through partners with over 500 SMEs and startups, yeah, we are not there yet, but yeah, very soon we'll reach there. We want to reach there. We want to reach thousands of SMEs, but perfect. So this is how it has made your life easy, right? Very small, important and easy work, but I hope you learn from this. So I'll also show you one more thing. So see, I'm also posting it on, so as you can see the flow from OpenAI to Google Sheets to LinkedIn, right? So this is where I am putting my leads. So you can see that it is generated here and it is the timestamp, right? And what I can show you, yes, I want to show you what problem we faced. Problem was, when you create an app on LinkedIn, right? You have to create a developer account. A developer account, as a developer, you need to log in. You need to create an app, right? So you go to settings, and then from my apps, you can create an app. Create app. You can do like this. So first I did it with disk automation, but my go with products. So my request was rejected. Okay, so this particular request was rejected, and the reason was that I'll show you what was the reason why it was rejected. We'll go with this one, right? So here, see, if you go to auth, it will show you this key will be generated once your permission is given. So you can basically followers data can be used, retrieve your organization's post, manage organization's page, retrieve comments, create, modify, delete post, right? So W stands for write, R stands for read, and this all, right? So this is all what it is. I think this is what I want you to see. This is how this app, once you get the features, but you have, before that you need to ask for community management API, right? This you will click on request access and post that you need to fill a form and share the details. So I'll show you. For me it was rejected, and then I raised a request and then I told them what's my problem was, right? Then I raised a request that my community API request was rejected, citing unable to verify legality of my organization. This. Then I shared them all the details of my registration and all that stuff. And so then they gave me the reason. Provide documentation like domain registration, invoice, and registration renewal, that entity and domain registration. Can you send me a recent document that contains the domain and company name as their Appian account? And a loophole was all documents submitted should be issued within the previous 12 months. Now problem here with me was that my domain was renewed for 3 years, right? So how can I get for last 12 months only? So that's why I told them and I shared details and it was approved, right? And yeah, we have granted access, so closing the ticket. So yeah, a little bit of hassle, but that's okay. Yeah, one more thing I want to show you is the um, analytics of it. You can check, right? So you have to create post, you have 100 requests, so 10 per user, so I use 3, right? So this is what it is. There is some quotas for it, you can see here, there, and then you can usage over time, right? So yeah, that's it. All right, I was occupied with some work, so that's why I was unable to focus on this, but I hope this is clear to you. I have explained you everything. If you get stuck with any of the step, now see, we can add many things here. You can add Slack, you can add X, you can, it's pretty simple. You don't have to worry about hassle about anything, right? It's the simplest part is you need to go here and select whatever you want, what action you want, right? The all companies whatever are there, you'll be able to see, right? So everywhere most of the steps will remain the same. You need to have credentials, right? You can search it here also. Whatever credentials you want, you have to select here, right? Any credential you want, you can select for image. That company should have that. It will be part of it, right? So and you go there, you click on it, and remains the same, right? You need to give a redirect URL, means where it should get connected to. right? And then there will be client ID, client secret. That's it, right? The process remains the same. It's the easiest thing which you can do. They also have templates, so that right now you need to go for cloud. But what you can do is you can get a .json file, .json file, and that you can import, right? If you workflows, you go to workflows from here. Oops, there was somewhere here, right? You can import from file. There will be .json file. You import it. Complete structure will come here. Are you getting it? This company will get in a .json format, and you can import it here, and you can use this. If you want that, see, if I download it, it will get downloaded as .json. All right. And similarly, if you want it, I can share it with you. You can import it on your local system. So I think there's just too much of verbal things which I'm telling it to you. But yeah, I hope you understood what I am trying to convey. And one more thing, there are a few things that you need to take care of, right? You need to connect into LinkedIn.com, your resources. You are doing a post operation. You are creating a post. Post is organization. Organization you are in. Organization you are in is something which you will. This is your organization you are in, this number. All right, don't mess up with this is important. And don't try anything nasty by using these details. By mistake, if I've shared something which should not be shared, please, yeah, I'm learning. Don't screw up my work too, right? Feel free to message me if you want to. If you are confused, we'll work together on that. So yeah, this is what. And did I miss on something? No, it's there. Okay. Tintin है इसरा. Okay. Yeah, this is it. I don't think anything else. And yes, one more thing, you have to make it active, right? If you want it to work on a particular scheduled time, you need to make it active. Your schedule trigger will now trigger executions on the schedule you have defined. This execution will not show up immediately in the editor, but you can see them in execution list if you choose to save execution. All right, I hope you liked it, and if you want me to work on something else, please feel free to let me know. And of course, there are many courses that are coming up, so hold your horses. I am coming up with new AI courses. It rhymes. All right, so we will work on we will specifically now focus on LangChain, Langsmith, LangGraph, and I have two codes written for by using Crew AI, which is my best tool. I love Crew AI, so I'll be using Crew AI for some of the internal tools I have built for my own purpose, right? So that I will show up in the next. But I'm planning to create 5 episodes daily, right? Because I'm lagging behind and so many things are coming up, right? So let's do that. Cool. Have a great day. We'll see you again in next episodes. Thank you.